itangane to kostaiwanga omukatholic no mukatholic njibunange boire ngiboira se familia yanda ba Catholic bueno after koso university I had to ndiye Catholic abantu ba Catholic ba goshiriki musi abanda bange bakaba goche bakwanda ka cathedral baenda town parish lakini bona ekero to chako bangusa maybe nje na tuna abantu abuna maite asi campus maybe na matangazo itokurunga Catholic Action ni ba committee SDN ni ba committee kine kikiangu sete alafu kwa ikororo asa matangazo after mission kwa kutoa matangazo nga jumuiya ni ga committee ona nsinga by that time jumuiya ningeja committee weekdays St. Thomas here on Sunday I commit and I joined St. Thomas a wonderful family.
Na nana St. Thomas mwanajita jumuiya of great thinkers. How did you come about that?
Then we call ourselves St. Thomas of Aquinas, the great thinkers.
The great thinkers.
It just didn't come about, but to imitate our patron saint, St. Thomas of Aquinas himself. He was a great thinker in the field of philosophy. Yeah, that's why we imitate him, and we call ourselves after his name. St. Thomas of Aquinas, the great thinkers.
Thank you. Tunaamini kwamba nikiitwa jina mtakatifu, mtakatifu atakuwa ananisaidia kuniombea. Na sasa mlifikiriaje mkasema jumuiya yetu tuite St. Thomas of Aquinas?
We call ourselves St. Thomas of Aquinas, the great thinkers. We didn't just come by with the name.
Naomba utumie hii.
Okay, thank you. We call ourselves St. Thomas of Aquinas, the great thinkers. He has contributed so much into the doctrines of the church.
Yes.
That's why we picked on the name and named our jumuiya after it. So we always try as much as we can to imitate him, all his works. Though we can't actually reach his works, but we strive to follow his life history and his life steps. Yeah, that's why we chose on it.
Asekere an organization usekende nzige gutaka ngotwara kere objective usekende ko emat so St. Thomas no mutakatifu orenge a philosopher a great thinker azino kwanyire kanisa sana wetera samoro kerelio maybe asedini ono toka the founders bakara it is good that wetera say ebintu tokosoma kore Ekegusii Catholic ne gasia ya kolete nene to niroke St. Thomas of Aquinas ono etra maro kereria yo ikanyari lieta